Are you looking for a 55 plus community? Check out The Shores at Brightwater by D.R. Horton in North Fort Myers, Florida. Stay tuned to the end so you can check out the awesome amenities at this great location. The Shores will have an active adult community, clubhouse, dog park, exercise fitness, gated community, HOA, pool, tennis, pickleball, nature trails. And then in Brightwater, there will be the 6-acre recreational lagoon with white sand beach and much more. There will be room for playgrounds, miles of running walking trails, and expansive green spaces for playing outdoor games with family and friends. Be sure to check out my Facebook group called Inside Babcock Ranch, where I post tours of model homes, builder incentives, and resale homes, and other information about the community. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment, and subscribe.